at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. If he pulls with a force of F newtons, the force that pulls the toy in the upward direction is option A. You have F cos 60 degrees. Option B, you have F sine 60 degrees. Option C, you have F tan 60 degrees. Option D, you have F divided by cos 60 degrees. And option E, you have F divided by sine 60 degrees. Solution. And we are told that a boy pulls his toy with a rope at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. The horizontal is the ground level. The horizontal is the ground level. The horizontal is the ground level. This is the toy. And he pulls it with at an angle of 60 degrees. This is the rope. This is the rope. An angle of 60 degrees. Now, this shows you the direction of the vector. A pull we go this way. Pull. Push, we go in this direction. But pull goes this way. Alright, pull is like a drag force, okay, which can call it F. It says he pulls it, if he pulls with a force F newtons, the force that pulls the toy in the upward direction is in the upward direction. Resolving it vertically, resolving this force vertically, we call this Fy. Fy will equals to F sine 60 degrees. That is what we are looking for. While Fx, resolving it horizontally, Fx becomes F cos 60 degrees. So the component we are looking for is the upward component. Now it then means that you can take this. This is already the answer. F sine 60 is the answer. F sine 60. I put it upward. But how did we arrive at this answer? If you take this component out, you have a right angle triangle. Taking that right angle triangle out, this is what you have, force F. And this angle is 60 degrees. We are told it was inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal plane. And then this is an angle 90. Okay. What we need is the vertical component Fy. Here is the horizontal component Fx. So for a right angle triangle, there are three specific sides. Three specific sides is the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. Then this other side, which is the opposite side. And here, which is called the adjacent. Okay? Now, this side is the side facing what? The angle of inclination. You can call it the opposite. The longest side is the side that faces 90 degrees. The side facing 90 degrees is the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. And then the lower side is the adjacent side. Okay, so it means that looking for the cosine of the angle from trigonometric ratios. From trig ratios, we look for the cosine of that angle. is cos cos 60 degrees is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. This is it. The three ratios are so casual. Okay. So cos 60 now is adjacent to hypotenuse. The adjacent side is fx, and the hypotenuse is the longest side, f. If you make this subject of formula, you just cross multiply. This will multiply this. This will come down. So we are saying that this is cos 60 over 1 equals to fx over f. By cross multiplying, you have that fx is equals to f cos 60 degrees. That is when you are looking for the horizontal components, you have f cos 60 degrees. Now what then will be the vertical components? That's how we arrived at this. How do you obtain the vertical component? You use sine. The sine of the angle 60 degrees, this is it. Sine is the opposite of hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse, while tangent is opposite to adjacent. Now use sine. Sine 60 degrees will be what? Opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So the opposite side is fy, and the hypotenuse is f. So that means that sine 60 over 1 is equals to fy over f. It implies that fy equals to f sine 60 degrees. That's how we obtained it. So we obtained it via simple trigonometric ratios, via the trig ratios. Okay.